Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Unreal process has crashed UE5 Discovery error. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Step 1. Check for system updates. Make sure your system is up to date. Go to Settings, Windows Update, install any available updates, and restart your PC. This can improve performance and may resolve crashing or launch issues. Step 2. Update GPU drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers to install the latest version. Final step, restart and relaunch. Restart your PC one more time, then try launching the game again. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes and tech tips.